everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to have no name on Among Us. In order to do so, keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Start by clicking open Among Us. Now, sign into your account if necessary. Go to the account button at the top left and click on change name. In order to keep a blank name on Among Us, what you'll need to do is go and open a web browser. As soon as you do that, in the search engine type in blank name for Among Us, copy and paste. Now soon after you do that, from the search result, you'll be able to find the blank Unicode throughout the web. Simply copy one of them. You can copy it from anywhere that you like. Now go back to Among Us and then simply erase the current name and paste the blank name and click on confirm. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see that there is no name for your username on Among Us, and you can pretty much play the game without the name as well. That is how you can easily have no name on Among Us by simply copying a blank Unicode throughout the web and pasting it in the username text field on Among Us. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.